Rookie snakeskin, sideways, sensational signatures. That is numbered to 15. Okay, that's a great card. Welcome back to another episode of the PokeSports Chaser. Today, we spent a little money. It's a rips kind of day. We are ripping some Prizm Black. It is the debut edition. And it's big, very expensive. $850 a box, which I'm doing 2 boxes today. That means $1,700. 5 autographs per. I'll tell you, some of the autographs aren't great. What you're really chasing is the case hits, specifically the Curry Manga. You hit that Curry Manga, oh, you got some $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 in your pocket, and that's what I want. I ripped a few cases already at my local card shop, which means I didn't get any case hit there. I got a chance. I'm live here. So guys, there's 5 autographs per. I should have 10 autographs. We're chasing the big boys. We want Luka Doncic, of course, on the auto. We want Curry, and we want mangas and color blasts and case hits. So without further ado, we're gonna start ripping. Subscribe to the channel, guys. It's good for you because you'll feel like a good person. Without further ado, let's get to ripping. There's the first $850 down the old drain. This should have 12 packs. Count them. 12 packs. And we're ripping 24 packs. We'll have 10 autographs, and we are going for the big boys. Oh, just dropped a pack. Hold on. We're live. We are live. Let's get to ripping. These are a little bit slippery over there. Oh, okay. We're gonna have ourselves a good video this time. This time I'm making money. Can't you feel it? Can't you feel it? Okay, so far nothing. Cool cards and all, I guess. Justin Edwards, never heard of her. No auto, no auto. We're good, we're live. Oh baby, we're live. I've heard that a Trae Young auto is a trigger for case hit. And I was in a break on Whatnot. Kevin McCullough Jr. I was in a break on Whatnot, and the Trae Young came out, and then that same box, there was a case hit. It was a Nikola Jokic color blast, and it went to me, so that's coming to my house. That will be on one of our future hits of the week videos. You guys should go check out those nukes of the week videos. It's pretty cool. You guys get to see me rip a lot of stuff, and you get to see me fail a lot. But on the hits of the week, the nukes of the week, I show you all the stuff that I hit in different places, because obviously I don't just rip. I also buy into a lot of breaks online on Whatnot, because I sell on Whatnot. You guys should come check out my seller channel, Black Jack Breaks, where I sell a lot of my very large cards. All right, there's I believe that's called, I don't know what it's called. I think it's just called basketball. Jordan Hawkins, 225. Luka, there's some Luka in these boxes. I would love to get a Luka auto. I actually don't think I have any in my possession. If I pulled a Luka auto, I think I would slab it up, and I think I would just keep it. Whoa, there's a redemption. Honestly, you guys will find that the redemptions in this product are kind of trash for the most part, what I've seen. Talisman, is it numbered? Nope. Let's see this redemption, but yeah. The redemptions in this product, for some reason, are pretty bad. I don't know if you guys ever saw it. Rookie, Zach Edey is not bad. Zach Edey, Prizm Silver. Okay, I mean, we take it. I saw the Zach Edey 1-of-1 black, I forget what it's called, but whatever, I saw it get pulled. The 1-of-1. Okay, there's Cam Johnson. There's another redemption. Behind that is Snakeskin. Snakeskin is an SSP, super short print. Let's take a look at what it is. Not a rookie. Rockets. Fred VanVleet. with a torn, I think, ACL. He's out for the year, for sure. Let's see who the redemption is. Let me sleeve this bad boy up. I'm trying to have better etiquette because I know I never sleeve my stuff up, so. Base autograph Prizm Silver of Chet Holmgren. Huh. 2 good autos so far on the redemptions. I'm used to them being junk redemptions. So that is 3 of my 5 autos. I'd like a Trae Young auto to trigger my case hit. Austin Reeves. Miles McBride. Never heard of her. I'm sure she's a nice lady, though. Not numbered, just silver. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs remaining. No case hit yet. That's a whole lot of nothing. 4 packs remain in this box, then we have 1 other box. I'd love for you guys to get to see a case hit. That'd be fun. Auto here? No. Pascal Siakam, Miles Turner. 3 packs. Do we have a case hit coming? Nine. No case hit here. Wow, LeBron James ain't bad. Jonathan Kuminga ain't bad. LeBron James on the basketball to 225. We take that. Crown this man. Look at him. Crown him. The king. The king. And little Jonathan Kuminga. His auto is no joke. JK. 2 packs left in this box. No Trae Young auto, so I believe no case hit in this box. Maybe that's just an urban myth. Johnson, Carmelo Anthony, Ant-Man. Nada. Last pack of this box. I see white rookie. White rookie, Yves Messi. Oh, there's an extra auto, Quentin Grimes. All right. Well, we don't love it, I'll tell you. Extra auto's always cool, I suppose, but we want case hit. We want a Curry Manga or a 1 of 1. Oh, man. Give me the LeBron 1 of 1. All right, do a little bit of clearing up here. I have often people comment to me about how they find it insane that I just do this. But I open so much, and I can't sit here and dink and dunk with $5 cards. So I just go in the trash. Oh, you're an animal, PokeSports Chaser. You're an animal. Not my gumdrop buttons. You're a monster. All right, we need case hit here. We need it. Oh, give me the Curry. Give it to me. 12 packs. Here we go. This is it. This is our one shot, our opportunity. Ooh, there's an orange wave and a white rookie on the Heat. White Kalelware. Onyeka Okongwu. And a Trey Alexander. Okay. Well, let's see. What are you, number 2? 60? Okay. Less than 100, I'll keep it, I guess. Some people are just for the pain. Yep. All right, let's see. Come on, let's get a case hit. What do you think? Pay for some boxes around here. Nothing here yet. Evan Mobley, Moses Moody, LeBron James. I'll keep a king. I'll keep a silver kaleidoscopic king. Why not? He's the king. No case hit yet. I think here comes an auto. Steven Adams, big Australian mite. Within these packs must contain a case hit. It must, please. Oh, there's a snakeskin. I think it's sideways. Luck of the lottery, Timmy D. Rookie snakeskin, sideways. Sensational signatures, Cam Christie. That is numbered to 15. Okay, that's a great card. That we take. A to 15 sensational signatures auto Cam Christie. Snakeskin. That we call a banga. Yeah. To 15. We take it. Sing! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. Give me a Trae Young auto, will you? Joel Embiid, Draymond Green. Nope. Give me a Trae Young auto, will you? Moses Moody, Yuki, LeBron James, luck of the lottery, number 2, 199. We'll take that. Some people want down. I think we only have one auto so far out of this box, which means we're about to heat up. There's 2, 4, 6 packs left. 4 of them should have an autograph. Okay, here's basketball rookie. Jamal Sheed. There's a redemption. Gary Payton. T. Mac. Let's see who this redemption is. Reed Shepherd. All right. All great rookies so far. Okay, I should have 3 autos remaining. Hoping one of them is a Trae Young. Johnny Furphy. 4 packs, 3 autos. Hopefully a case hit. A little fuzz in there. Jason Kidd on the red. Shaquille. All right. 3 packs, 3 autos. Should have an auto per. and hopefully a case hit. Okay, so there's Enrique Freeman. Don't want Enrique Freeman, I'll tell you that. Oh, guys, I don't think I'm getting a case hit here. I really would love for you guys to see me pull some bangers. Oh, there's some good cards here, don't get me wrong. But, you know, nothing's cooler than when you hit just a monster card. But I don't have to tell you guys. You guys know. Paulo Banchero, 2/99. Huh. Either I miscounted or I've been shorted an autograph. Here we go. Last pack. No case hit, y'all. Franz Wagner, LaMelo, Nicholas Dursic. That's gonna be one annoying I ought to do 1,000,000 times. Well, guys, once again I have failed you, but it was fun. We did get some good hits. I wouldn't say that we're paid, but we did pretty good, guys. Stop being so sad all the time. Life gets better, guys. Please. Just be happy, guys. Come on. Life's too good for you guys to be so upset. You know what, though? I know how you guys will make yourselves feel better. You guys should like this video. Should leave a comment down below. And the final touch here, which will really just make you feel so happy. It's, you know, you should just go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this episode. Click one of the other ones and see what else we're ripping.